welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing the huge Myntra haul with all of you. As you all know that Independence Day has arrived recently only, and there was a sale on Myntra, that was Independence Day sale, and there was huge discount on Myntra, and I couldn't resist myself from ordering some of the clothes, accessories from there. And so I ordered and I received the parcels now only, because due to COVID everything has been delayed. You receive the parcels very late, and few days back only I received all the parcels, and I couldn't resist myself from sharing with you what I actually received from Myntra and what I feel about the products, the price, their quality, that I'll be sharing with you in this video. But before I start this video, I request all of you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for more such notifications. If you haven't subscribed till now, subscribe now. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start the video. These are all the parcels which I have received from Myntra, and I'll be showing you all these parcels, all these products one by one. So starting with the first one, I'm going to show this one to you. This is a dress which I have received from Myntra. You can see this. This is just a dress. Actually, this dress is worth rupees 399, and the brand is Era Soli, and the color is deep maroon. It has beautiful floral prints all around it. So it's an off-shoulder dress. I actually love this dress a lot. It's a complete fitted one dress with a flare beneath the chest line, and it's an off-shoulder dress, and the off-shoulder clothes, the tops, the dresses, they are in trend right now. So this dress really looks very beautiful when you wear it, and I'll show how it looks on me at the end of the video. I'll show you all the dresses, but for rupees 399 it's a steal. It's completely a steal, and this is a blend of polyester and the cotton one, and the fabric, it's so soft, so comfortable. I actually loved when I wear this dress. So yeah, for this, if I would have to give it rating out of 5, I'll definitely give it 4.5. Now let's switch to the next one. This is a top which I ordered from there. The price is rupees 299. You can see that it's an orange color top with the stripes on it. It's a very casual basic top. Nowadays the loose tops, they are very much in trend. So I ordered it for summers. Like, it's very good. It's loose one, it's airy, and it's really a good one. And yeah, it's of the brand Ether, and for 299 I don't feel that it's way too expensive. Like, it's a cotton top, and it really looks good when you wear it with your tights. On some lazy days you can wear it. If you want, you can wear it with shorts, and these kind of tops, they really look very good when you wear with shorts, and you pair it with your sports shoes. So if I would have to give it a rating out of 5, I'll give it 4. Now next is a bag. This is a sling bag which I ordered from Myntra. You can see that how colorful this bag is. It has tassels on it, and the good part about this bag is that you can wash it when it gets dirty. You have some stains on it, you can wash it. And these kinds of bags, they really look very good. They are very much in trend. It has a very good space inside it. It has also a zip in it. If you want to put some money or some your expensive stuff, you can put in that one. And yeah, this bag, it's really very good for daily use, for keeping your cell phone and some of the stuff inside it. Okay, and I really love this bag. Actually, the complete design, I really loved it. The pattern, the print over it, and the colorful, the colorful print and the tassels, they add beauty to this bag. So I really love this bag. This bag is from Anikant. It's a brand. You can find it on Myntra. There is a huge variety of sling bags from this brand, but I wanted the red one, so I ordered it. The actual price of this bag is rupees 1199, but I got it for rupees 779 only in the sale. I really love this bag. And if you like this bag, I'll put its link in the description below. You can order it from there. These kind of bags look really very good when you pair it with your kurtis or with your ethnic wears, and you wear these bags. They just complete the look. So I really love this one. Yeah. It has also a zip at its back side, so it's very, very spacious and it's a good one. This is the next dress which I ordered from Myntra, and you can see it. It's a dress below the knee length, like mid dresses, and it's a very fitted one. It's a bodycon dress and it's of rust shade, and it's one shoulder dress. And these kind of dresses, one shoulder tops, dresses, they are in trend, so I ordered it. And if you listen the price, you will fall in love with it. I got it for rupees 449 in sale, and 449 is nothing for this kind of dress. The fabric, it's so comfortable. It's made of rayon, and it's really very good. When I wore this dress, it really looked beautiful on me, and you can wear this dress at any party or in any event. You can pair it with the clutches and you are done for the for any kind of event or any sort of party. But for rupees 449, it's a steal deal. I think you should order this dress from Myntra. It's from the brand Trend Arrest. You can swipe more dresses from there. I really love this dress. So this one is the next one which I ordered. Now next is this shirt which I ordered from Myntra. If you're following me on YouTube, then you must have seen that I have wore this shirt in my previous video on how to style a shirt in different ways. If you haven't checked that video, please do check it out. I really love this shirt actually, and it has polka dots all around it, and it's made of georgette, and it's a loose a kind of dress with that with that puff shoulders, puff sleeves actually. With that puff sleeve, this is a shirt with a puff sleeves on it, and I actually love this dress. Pink is my favorite color, and the polka dots on it has added a beauty to this shirt. And this shirt is from Dressberry, and this shirt is from the brand Dressberry. I got it for rupees 419 only. You can pair this shirt with black jeans, and you can just tie a knot and you're done. It looks really very good when you it looks really very pretty when you wear it. So overall, it's a steal deal. I really love this shirt. Now switching on to our next product, let me show you what I got. This is a top which I got, and this is from H&M. I really love this top, the kind of print it has, the green and yellow print. I actually love this one. This is a crop top, and when I was swiping the Myntra, when I saw this top for the first time, I fall in love with it. In a one click I ordered it. This is a really a good one. Yeah, I didn't get any kind of discount on this top. It's from the fresh stock. I got it for rupees 799, but I feel that it's a good one. It's a good top to invest in. It's not so pricey for the top I got of this kind. One thing I would like to share with all of you is that nowadays H&M is giving very good deals. There are very good deals of H&M on Myntra, so you must check it. And yeah, this one is a good one. The next thing which I got from Myntra is this necklace. You can see that, and the brand is Rubans. I got it for rupees 1500, but I feel that 1500 is nothing for the kind of necklace. And it is multicolored necklace, and you can wear it with any kind of top. If you want to accessorize it and you don't get what to wear, what kind of accessory to wear with any of your dress, just wear this necklace and you are done. From a long time I really wanted to order a choker necklace which covers my entire neck, and yeah, I got it. These were all the products which I got from Myntra. I hope you like all these products, and if you want to buy any of the products, I'll put the link in the description box below. You can click that link and you will be redirected to Myntra, and you can order it from there. So let me show you all the dresses, how they look on me one by one.